Hey again, it's me. Hey, you guys ever microwave some bacon? My oven just went off because I'm going to put some in the oven. But hey, I'll show you how you can microwave some bacon, huh? So you need to make sure to wash your hands. Microwave safe plate, okay? Then you need some paper towels. You want to have a good layer, maybe 2, 3, layers on your plate, okay? So, I'm using up the paper towels. Oh, wow. So, hey, use at least 2 or 3 layers, okay? You're going to take your bacon, okay? And then layer it on the plate, okay? Don't let the bacon touch each other, okay? So let's put the bacon on the plate, okay? All right, nice and so. Then you want to make sure that you layer it again with at least 2, 3 layers of bacon, okay? Now I put 3 slices of bacon on there, okay? So when you are done with that, you want to put it in the microwave, okay? Now, what you do is, because you have 3 slices of bacon, you want to put it in the microwave at 1 minute per slice, so that's 3 minutes, okay? So let's put it in the microwave, okay? And we're going to go 3 minutes start, okay? So you guys let that go for 3 minutes. If you find that your bacon, you want it to cook a little bit longer, you can probably try it for another minute, okay? So you guys, try it again. Try this recipe, bacon, all right? Let me know how it goes.